Hi guys, welcome to Eta Fantastic Food Center where I prepare a lot of delicious meals. So here come the full recipe and requirement for the rice bread, which we refer to as banana bread. So we go by starting with our rice. So we get 1 cup of rice, which is the raw rice. We get the 1 cup of rice, and this is the cup that we use for the measuring of flour for baking. So we will use this same cup to get the exact measurement of rice. So 1 cup of rice filled, make sure that it's overfilled. When we are using this cup for flour, or let's say when we are measuring flour with this cup, we always measure it that it will not overflow. But when we are using this for rice, I will ask you to make sure that the rice is overfilled. Okay, when we have one of this cup of rice, we put it into the water for over 1 hour plus. You can even leave it in the water for 2 hours, and after then you wash the rest. Make sure that the rest is washed very thoroughly and clean. And after that, drain the water out of the rice by putting the rice in the sifter. Make sure you absorb all of the water out of the rice. And after that, place the rice in the blender and blend the rice thoroughly. When the rice is blended, put it in a bowl, and then you make sure you get the next step done. So the next step will be you putting in of your sugar. You will get 1 cup of sugar, which you will be using this measurement cup, and this is the 1/2 cup, which is 125 ml. You'll be using this as the measurement cup for the sugar. So you will go in with one of that, place it into the rest, and then you go in with your baking soda. So this baking soda, you will put 1 teaspoon of this baking soda in the rest. So after placing it, you will mix the rest thoroughly. Mix it thoroughly with your hands, but before mixing it with your hand, make sure that your hands is well clean and prepare for the mixing. Mix it with your hand. Use your hands to mix it very well. When you are done mixing it, you go in with your vanilla extract. So this vanilla, you will put 1 teaspoon of vanilla in the rest. And after you are done with that, you keep it aside and get to your banana. So this banana, to every 1 cup of rice, will be using 6 pieces of banana. So you put this banana in the blender and put 3 eating spoons of milk in the banana. And after that, you make sure you blend the banana well. You will blend the banana mixed with the milk. It will mix together in the blender, and after then you go by putting the banana on the rice which was prepared first. You will put them on the rice and stir them together. So after putting the banana on the rest that is placed already in the bowl, you will go in by adding 1 cup of oil. You can use this oil, or you can use any decent oil. The idea is that use a better oil that will give your bread a good taste. So you go in with 1 cup of alcohol oil or whatever oil, but you go in with oil that will give your bread a good taste. So this is the same 1/2 cups, which is 125 ml. You will go in with 1 cup of oil to each 1 cup of rice. You put this 1 cup of oil in the rice and mix it thoroughly with your mixer. At that point, you no longer use your hands to mix, but you use the mixer. Mix it well and prepare. Very prepare with the mixer. You can use this mixer to mix it well, or you use a cooking spoon to mix it well. But I would like for you to use this mixer, or you can use the electronic mixer also, but this is preferable to use because you need to mix it well till the rice is mixed smoothly and well. So I would like again to tell you this: whenever you are using the sugar in your raspberry, there are some places you may not find or smooth sugar. So if you find the sugar that have big pieces, what you do is, after getting the 1 cup of sugar out, you blend it first. Blend the sugar, making sure that it is mixed and smoothed before using it. So when you are done mixing all of them together, mix them well, and you can get your oven on time. If I say you can get your oven on time, meaning you plug your oven, put it on, allow it to overheat for some time. While getting your baking pan ready, use a bit of oil, rub it in your baking pan, and then go in with your ingredients. Put it in the baking pan and just send it in your oven and start to bake. Yeah, so this is the full recipe for the raspberry, which we refer to as banana bread. See you in my next video. Thanks for subscribing to my YouTube channel. Love you guys, and peace is all we need. Peace brings love, and let us continue to love each other, and let us continue to go by our personal hygiene as a chef, as a cook. Let us make sure our things are clean, our pot and everything we use are clean, and in doing so, we are going to be safe from diseases and other things. Thank you guys. Prepare your raspberry and enjoy it. Together we move. Bye.